What's up guys, Upward here and this is Whilelab YouTube channel, and here we are with day 19 of 30 days of code, and today's video is about interfaces. So what are interfaces? Interfaces are, it basically is an object-oriented programming term that's used to define any class that defines the methods and functions of a class without actually implementing the actual code. You can refer to this Stack Overflow, where someone asked what is the definition of interface in object-oriented programming, and there's a lot of answers. The one I think is the most accurate is, so here's an analogy. Take a look at your television. When it's off, its interface are the buttons it has. The various plugs on the screen, its semantics and behavior are that it takes input, in example cable programming, and has outputs, display on the screen, sound, etc. However, when you look at a TV that's not plugged in, you are projecting your expected semantics into an interface. For all you know, the TV could just explode when you plug it in. However, based on its interface, you can assume that it won't make any coffee since it doesn't have a water intake. So let's just close this. So if we came back to the challenge over here, try dark mode, let's go. Okay, so let us open Python. What you would notice over here, this is the default code, is that we have this advanced arithmetic class, and it has this method divisor sum, okay, but it's not implemented. Why? Because this is an interface. It has defined the method, but it did not implement the actual code. We would and then it has this calculator class that inherits from the advanced arithmetic class. So we should implement this divisor sum. I would really highly suggest that you go and dive deep in with object oriented, because I can't cover even the tiniest terms over here because we are focusing on this challenge. So we'll solve this challenge. The task is, the first thing we want is a variable to store our total in it. So we'll call it total and we'll make it 0. Okay, then we will loop for I in the range of from 1, because we don't want to start at 0, up to n plus 1, because since this is exclusive, as we know in the range, this is exclusive, so it will go up to 6, not including 6, so we want to increase it by 1, so 6 is included. Then we will check if n modulo I equals 0. That means if this number we have in the I, okay, I will visualize the code in a moment, but I'll try to explain right now. If this code modulo I, if this number, the 6 modulo I, gives us 0, that's mean it's divisible. Okay, it could be divided without any remaining. So if that's true, then we will increase total. So total would equals total plus I. Then here outside the for loop we return total. Let's run the code and see. Come on. Yep, here we are. Let's submit the code. Alright, let me show you how it's visualized. Okay, so we have this R method, divisor sum, we have the n, we have the total. Okay, I passed 6 here with the method, so we replicate the same here. Total will be 0. We'll start here to find the method. Okay, then we call the method with passing 6. So now we're gonna go execute the method or the function. The total will be 0. So here you will see that we have the variable total 0 and we have n as 6. Now we're getting into the for loop. I is 1, okay, because we started from 1. So we're gonna check if n modulo I equals 0. It's true, because n, which is 6, modulo I, 6 divided by 1 is 6. So then we're gonna, the second loop, I is 2, 6 divided by 2 gives us 3, the remaining is 0, so this is true. We are going to increase the total by 3, So notice here now it's 3. Alright, okay, oh sorry, 6 divided by 2, yeah. So now I is 3, 6 divided by 3, now it's 6, now I is 5, okay, 6 divided by 5, no, so it's gonna skip and go for the 6th loop. So 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. So I is 6, we're gonna add it to the total, we have the total as 12, we'll return 12, and we will print 12 as you can see over here. So let us have a quick look at the implemented code over here. So we have n that will read the input, then we are creating an instance of the class calculator that we implemented over here, then we are calling the method with n passed, then we print I implemented the calculator, and then we print the result. So yep, congratulations guys, that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos and press the like button so we can keep it up. Thank you for watching and peace out.